I want to talk about this 4-channel dash cam that IIWEY sent me to make a video on. First of all, what do you get right out of the box? You've got, that is your rear camera with all the cord that you're going to need. A user manual breaks it right down. The front connection, some clips, and right here is the main unit. So this is what's going to go in your front windshield. And you can see right there, it's 4 channels. You've got 2 cameras on the side, one front facing, and I showed you the other one before for the back. All hooked up. It took me about 40 minutes. It's pretty easy. It's not that difficult to hook up. One of the easier parts I thought it'd be difficult was running the wire and tucking it away. It actually went pretty smooth. And I've got a pickup truck, so you can see right here. I would prefer to have it up high, but I ended up putting it down low. That's just how it worked with my setup for the rear camera. It also comes with a free app that you can download. You can see right here. We've got the view looking forward. You'll see here that you can change the views, go to the different views. You can save photos, you can save video in here. There's all sorts of different options that you have. Very functional. So who's this good for? Pretty much anyone who wants to make sure that they're covered legally out on the roads. Sometimes you can find yourself in litigation, and having something like this to prove that what happened, exactly how you said it, really happened is invaluable. If you'd like to pick up one for yourself, click on the link in the description below.